Hello guys, let's move on. So behind the scene I created at the top constants called client ID and secret ID, I think client secret key, and this is our method called set test mode because we are testing it in the localhost. That's why we make it true, but if it in the live server, then we have to make it false. Then we can say try. What should try? It's try should purchase, so we can use this variable and let's say purchase. The OmniPay has a method called purchase, and purchase should be an array, you see. So we giving an array, and in the array we should pass some data like amount. So where we'll get amount? We will get amount from the form. You see here we have amount $4, so we get amount from here. Let's pass the amount in the PayPal and let's accept it here and let's put it here. Then we can say currency, so let's put it here called USD. Then we can say return URL. So when the process done, then which URL should return, or if the cancel, which URL should return, we will put it here. So our return URL will be this part. So we also define it at the top, so we can say PayPal return URL and cancel URL. And we can make a method chain called send. It will send to the PayPal, and if we check if let's make a variable here called response and we can say if is redirect, then redirect it. Okay, this method is showing undefined, no problem at all. Let's move on. We can say okay, after doing this, it will return the success URL. Then it will go to the success. This is the route. Let's see what is the route here. We have a success route and it will go to the checkout controller. Then a method should call success. Let's make a method called success. And in the success method we will take some return from the PayPal, and we can say and let's see what we return here, and we have to copy this and paste it here. and let's see what we get. Let's reload and fill the form, and we should select the PayPal, then place order. Okay, something wrong, that's why it's not redirecting there. Let's see what is wrong. Let's delete the order. Okay, so let's take it, we should go to the PayPal Pay, and this is the PayPal Pay. We are doing this, and client ID, we have a little mistake here. We have to call set client ID, not get client ID, and set secret and set test mode. And let's test again, and let's see. Yeah, we redirected here. So we have here all this, and let's click, because I think checkout controller, we instantiated it but we did not use it at the top, so you have to say okay, don't say here. Let's make a method as well, call new checkout. We'll move the code in the checkout model, and let's say final the order, and let's cut it from here, all the code, and let's make the method in the checkout control model. What was the name? Name was final order. Paste it here. And we already added OmniPay at the top, so I think the problem won't stay. Yeah, you see what we get from the get super global variable. We get payment ID, token, and payer ID because we need it in the next step. So we can verify our request. We can say if this is an array, so we have to say if array, we'll check the keys. Array key exists. What is the key name? The first key name is payment ID, and where we are referring the get, and we can verify, and let's say if exists token, and let's say if exists payer ID. Okay, if everything is okay, then we will move forward. We can say gateway, complete our purchase. and we should pass an array in the complete passage as well. The pair ID should pass here, and we get the pair ID from the get. And we can add transactional reference. That is payment ID. And then we can add a method chain here called send, and we can take a response from here. Then we can say response is successful. And we can use if condition also here. Let's call if response is successful, then we can take that data from the response. Let's see what data we get from there. Let's dump the data.